What's up, y'all? It's your girl, and I'm back for another hair review. Today, we're going to be working with a unit I received to review from Ishow Hair Company. They sent me this bomb 24-inch body wave lace front unit, and I am super excited to get into this bad boy. All right, so I'm super excited to get into this hair, you all. Look at this unit right out of the package. Anything over 22 inches, I legit already am excited about. So I'm already excited about this unit. I'm loving the bounce. I'm loving how soft it is. You know, give me a bouncy, soft hair and we're good to go, okay? Give me inches, we are really good to go. So I'm really excited to get this unit on. So far, my first impressions are great. I would have liked it to have less flyaways right out the box, but it's nothing that we can't tame once we get the unit on. So it is pre-plucked to the gourds with some baby hairs, which is super convenient. I'm going to go in with the same method that I always use, which is the bald cap method, except a little bit different this time because I'm not going to cut down as much of the cap. I don't like that when I do the bald cap method and the back comes undone, the back of the cap. It doesn't secure down my hair because I have a lot of frizzies and stuff in the nape of my neck and I need the cap to hold those down. And when you go cutting away at the front, there's nothing for the back to hold on to. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and just secure it down as usual. And I'm just going to cut off that thick band in the front and we're going to go on from there, y'all. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in and fix what I kind of messed up by pulling down the cap a little bit and re-securing it, just because sometimes I get scissor happy and then the cap rolls up. That's the part of the bald cap method that is really aggravating. Like, I really wish that didn't happen, but it always happens to me every single time. So we're going to go ahead and work through it. I'm just going to re-secure that back down with a little got to be glued freeze blasting spray, and then we're going to move on to this install. All right, guys, so this is the unit fully installed. I didn't really go with any baby hair this time around. I wasn't really feeling it. Sometimes I am so over baby hairs. I don't think they're necessary all the time, but I definitely do love this look. I love how long the hair is and how bouncy and soft it is. Yes, a little mousse in this unit will go a long way. So I definitely think this one is a keeper. I just want to check out this fire 24-inch body wave unit from Ishow Hair Company. Please be sure to check out the links in the description box below. And as always, y'all, we'll see you guys next review.